Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change a level in Babbel. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Babbel application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Babbel. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Babbel videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see guys, here we have the official Babbel application where we have a lot of things going on. So here you have the today's plan and you have the learning plan here, which you can go and start from the beginning. Of course, in the bottom you have the home screen, you have the review, where you can do a lesson or take Babbel live class to start building your vocabulary. You can go live, where you can go and see some live classes that you might find interesting. And you have the explore, where you can explore courses, everyday conversations, etc, etc. Also, in the top right corner guys, as you can see, you have everything about your profile. So here you have your weekly summary, your course progress, your reviews, and in the top left corner you have the settings option, where you can go and see the settings, your languages, appearance, invite friends, get access, and go and see the help option. Now guys, let's see how you can go and change the level in Babbel. To do so, go to the learning plan, and here guys, you can go and change everything that you want from the levels. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.